NSHM Group of Institutions has campuses in Kolkata and Durgapur. Today we'll focus on the NSHM Knowledge Campus in Kolkata, which has a student rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars on Shiksha.com. How are the BSc courses here? Let's find out in this detailed review. Starting off with the 4-star rated placements. The median package in the last placement season was 2.5 lakhs per annum, showing a modest 4.16% increase from the previous year. For comparison, Brainware University in Kolkata offers a median salary of 2 lakh per annum. NSHM's placement partners, including top companies like Amazon, Deloitte, Zee Limited, Coca-Cola, Godrej, Radisson, Nestle, and Emirates, boost students' employability prospects. Opportunities vary for specialization. For example, BSc Multimedia Animation and Graphics students can work on live projects like graphic design, storyboarding, 2D animation, and 3D modeling. The campus has internship and training partnerships with prominent companies like Accenture, Aditya Birla, and AB Baby, and provides placement assistance to all students. Moving on to programs, the institute offers a wide array of courses. The BSc program alone has 16 specializations ranging from psychology, yoga to media science, film, and television, offered under 6 schools of NSHM Kolkata campus. Apart from BSc, the institute also offers BBA, BCA, and BTech programs. Speaking of eligibility criteria, it varies across different specializations, but an online aptitude test is conducted for admission to various UG courses. The fees vary across various BSc specializations. According to Shiksha.com, BSc in Multimedia, Animation, and Graphics is one of the most expensive and costs around 5.49 lakhs. With this fee structure and a median salary of 2.5 lakh per annum, we can say that this program offers good returns. For comparison, Brainware University charges 6.9 lakhs for its most expensive BSc nursing specialization. NSHM Knowledge Campus offers a diverse range of scholarships to recognize and reward academic excellence and unique talents. Now let's talk about the 4 out of 5 rated infrastructure. The campus offers well-stocked libraries, recreational areas, medical services, good canteens, and excellent labs. Students especially appreciate the Mac Lab. It also features modern, air-conditioned classrooms with Wi-Fi and an auditorium for events. While the Kolkata campus does not have hostel facilities, the Durgapur campus does. When it comes to the 4.4 rated faculty and courses, NSHM Knowledge Campus is known for its excellent academic team. Faculty members possess extensive industrial expertise and are always available to support students. Faculty changes are prioritized if students face any problems. To broaden internship exposure, NSHM has partnerships with IIT Kharagpur's eCell, Analytics Society of India, NASSCOM Future Skills, Toonzy Animation, and many more. These collaborations allow students to participate in international conferences, attend lecture series, engage in workshops, and benefit from faculty exchanges. Wrapping up with the campus life rated 4.1 stars. Fests and other activities keep students engaged throughout the year. Prominent annual fests are the key highlights. The campus boasts of several student-led clubs including the Literary Club, the Angan Club, Tag Cell, and Bisbee Club among others. Although unranked in the NIRF 2023 rankings, NSHM Knowledge Campus has demonstrated its strengths, especially in the School of Health Sciences, with its Department of Pharmaceutical Technology ranking 61st in India in 2020. For more details on NSHM Kolkata and to check out thousands of course and college reviews, visit Shiksha.com. We'd like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and do not forget to like and share this video.